In this video, I'll show you how to get USDC Tron address on Trust Wallet. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, if someone tells you to send your USDC Tron address, what you're going to do right now, click on this manage, right? Come on here, type in USDC. Once you have typed in USDC, we're going to search for the USDC Tron. Okay, yeah, so this is it. So you're going to go back, right? This is the USDC Tron. So if you want to get the exact USDC Tron, this is what I'm going to do, right? So ensure you do this carefully, right, so as you receive your payment. So if you found this video helpful, please share it below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.